Get a lasting luminance with Elderflower Underglow Hydrating Snow Mushroom Moisturizer. In the beauty world, the hunt for the perfect moisturizer is a never-ending journey. Different seasons, hormones, and all sorts of factors can affect the condition of our skin, making it essential to have a reliable face cream that suits our needs. For those with severe skin sensitivity or expecting mothers, the search can be even more challenging. But with Elderflower Underglow Hydrating Snow Mushroom Moisturizer, the quest for the perfect hydrator for all skin types ends here. Imagine a moisturizer that not only quenches your skin's thirst but also nourishes and protects it from environmental stressors. That's what Elderflower's proprietary blend of snow fungus extract, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter promises to deliver. Snow fungus extract, a natural antioxidant, works wonders in shielding the skin from free radicals that cause premature aging. Hyaluronic acid and shea butter provide deep hydration and locking in the moisture, leaving your skin supple and velvety smooth. Vitamin E helps restore the skin's elasticity, leaving you with a youthful glow. The best thing? The Underglow Hydrating Snow Mushroom Moisturizer is pregnancy safe, perfect for nursing or expecting mothers or anyone who prefers plant-based ingredients. It supports natural collagen production and helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, leaving you looking revitalized. Redness, inflammation, and dryness? No more. The snow mushroom extract and jojoba oil in the moisturizer's formula help to soothe and revitalize dry or dehydrated skin, radiating that glow from within that we all seek. But why settle for a standalone moisturizer when you can level up with Elderflower's Underglow Hydrating Serum? This team-up hydrates and nourishes your skin all day and night, delivering a deep, lasting luminance from dusk till dawn. For those who prefer a minimalist approach, the moisturizer works perfectly as a base layer under makeup or on its own, leaving your skin with a dewy finishing touch. The search for the perfect moisturizer may be over with Elderflower's Underglow Hydrating Snow Mushroom Moisturizer. Its blend of snow fungus extract, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter works in harmony to provide antioxidants, hydration, and nourishment. It's perfect for all skin types, including those with severe skin sensitivities or pregnant or nursing women. The moisturizer's formula works hand in hand with Elderflower's Underglow Hydrating Serum, making it a dynamic duo that hydrates and nourishes your skin all day and night. So go ahead, get that lasting luminance that you've always wanted with Elderflower's Underglow Hydrating Snow Mushroom Moisturizer, and let your natural beauty shine through.